In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync teamwork.com with your Outlook calendar. This is a game changer if you want to streamline your project management and keep everything organized in one place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily integrate your teamwork tasks and events into your Outlook calendar, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. If you're new to Teamwork, it's a robust project management platform that allows teams to collaborate, track progress, and manage deadlines. But what's really powerful is how it integrates with other tools like Outlook, which most professionals already use for email and calendar management. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Teamwork account. Once you're in, navigate to your profile settings by clicking on your user icon in the top right corner. From there, go to Integrations. Teamwork offers a wide variety of integrations, but today we're focusing on Outlook. Next, look for the Calendar section under Integrations. You'll see an option that says Sync with Outlook. Click on that, and Teamwork will guide you through the process of authorizing the connection with your Outlook account. Don't worry, it's a secure process, and it only takes a few moments. Once your Outlook account is connected to Teamwork, you'll be able to sync your tasks, milestones, and project events directly to your Outlook calendar. This means you can see your deadlines, meetings, and to-dos without having to jump between apps. To make sure everything syncs correctly, head over to your Tasks section in Teamwork. When creating or updating tasks, you'll notice that you now have the option to add these to your Outlook calendar. All you have to do is check a box that says Add to Calendar and select the correct time and date. This will automatically sync your task with your Outlook calendar, keeping all of your deadlines in one place. You can also adjust the sync settings to decide how often Teamwork syncs with Outlook, whether you want it to happen in real time or on a schedule. I recommend setting it up to sync automatically, so you're always on top of your game. One of the best features of this integration is that once your tasks are in Outlook, they act just like any other calendar event. You can set reminders, add additional notes, and even invite other team members to meetings or task deadlines. Everything stays connected, so your workflow becomes much smoother. Now here's the best part. You can use Teamwork for free. By clicking the first link below, you'll get an exclusive bonus with a free trial that gives you access to all the features, including this Outlook calendar sync. Trust me, once you see how well it works, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So, to wrap up, syncing teamwork.com with your Outlook calendar is quick and easy. It saves you time, reduces the risk of missing deadlines, and keeps you organized. And remember, using the link below gives you an exclusive extended free trial, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.